Today I'm going to show you how to make tuna lettuce wraps that make a brilliant lunch or light dinner that's just also low carb, keto friendly, and it's just really good healthy meal. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and everything you need to make this easy recipe. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of them. So let me chat you through the ingredients and then I'll show you how to make them. So these are the simple ingredients you need for the tuna lettuce wraps. I've got tuna over here. I'm using a small can of tuna. Depending how many people you're making this for, you might want to use 2 tins or a larger tin. It is up to you. I like using sour cream instead of mayo. You could use mayo if you'd like instead, or you can use Greek yogurt, but I just love the creaminess of sour cream and it gives such a good flavor when combined together with the tuna. And this is the lettuce I'm using, this Irish iceberg lettuce, but you could use any lettuce, romaine lettuce, any lettuce you can tear the leaves off to make cups, wraps from. That is what you want to use. So now we'll put everything together. I've popped the tin of tuna into a bowl and now we'll add in the sour cream. I've added 2 tablespoons of sour cream, generous tablespoons. It's up to you if you'd like to add more, less, just depends how creamy you'd like your tuna filling to be. And you can add on salt, pepper, any seasoning you'd like to taste. Add in more vegetables, chopped onion, chopped tomato, peppers, lots of ideas which will all be in the blog post down below for you. But now we'll just combine these ingredients together until we have a nice tuna filling. So just combine together till you're happy that all the sour cream and tuna is well mixed. And now we're going to get out the lettuce wraps to fill up with our tuna filling. My lettuce has the perfect leaves for making into wraps. They're quite massive, just kind of perfect. So I've washed a couple here to fill with my filling. And there you go. My lettuce wraps are filled with my tuna filling and it makes such a nice light lunch, such a nice alternative to having a tuna salad that you can kind of wrap up if you'd like to as a wrap, or have them as kind of cups or cut into them if you want to as well. Lots of ways to enjoy them and lots of adaptations. You can pop a bit of grated cheese on or feta on top if you want some cheesiness and extra protein. You can add, as I said, tomato, red peppers. You can add a bit of onion to the filling. There's lots of ways to enjoy these tuna lettuce wraps, which I'll write down in the blog post down below, so be sure to click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know what you thought of these tuna lettuce wraps if you give them a try. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.